Hi everyone, I'm Wave. I run an online vintage clothing store, and this is my 5-minute end of the day skincare routine using Shiseido. We're just going to begin by getting the hair out of the way. So today I'm going to be removing my makeup for you and then running you through my simple end of the day skincare routine. I am using these incredible products from the Shiseido range, and all I do is cleanse, tone, and then moisturize. Let's get to it. So I always begin with a double cleanse, and the reason for this is that the oil cleanser is for removing makeup and the gel cleanser is for a deeper cleanse. So the oil cleanser I'm using today is the Perfect Cleansing Oil. 1 or 2 pumps is perfect for that one. This oil is super lightweight and it's infused with vitamin E, so it's an antioxidant and naturally really moisturizing on the skin, which is perfect for removing makeup. So the really cool thing about this oil cleanser is that it's water soluble. So as soon as it gets in contact with water, it instantly turns into an emulsion and basically just falls off your face and leaves no residue, which I really love because I have a combination skin type and I don't want any oily residue left on my skin. I'm also wearing a matte lipstick and I'm just going to show you how easily it removes it. Super gentle. Now that that's on, I'm going to go rinse it off and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we have rinsed off the oil cleanser, it's time to move on to the gel cleanser. I'm using the Quick Gentle Cleanser. It's from the Waso range. The cool thing about this cleanser is that you apply it to dry skin. Good squeeze into the hand. Super tiny little micro bubbles. Can feel it getting into all the pores and really cleaning out. Don't forget underneath the jaw. That is looking good. So I'm gonna go wash it off and I'll be right back. I actually grew up watching my mother use this product. I watched my grandma use it. All the women in my family use this, the Eudemine Revitalizing Essence. This is a very common product to use in Japan. They call it a lotion, but the texture is like somewhere between a toner and a serum. It's super hydrating, it makes your skin super soft, puts all the moisture in, and it preps your skin so it's ready to absorb your moisturizer. So what we're going to do is soak this pad really generously, and this will help the moisturizer penetrate much deeper into your skin. Okay, so now my skin is feeling super soft and supple. We can move on to the moisturizer. So I'm using the Ultimune Power Infusing Concentrate. The texture of this one is somewhere between a serum and a gel, which I really love because of my combination skin type. I don't want anything that's too heavy, but I do still want it to be very hydrating. So I do love this product. I start applying on my cheeks because they are my driest point. So that completes my hydrating process. And now I'm moving on to the last and final step. It is the Ultimune Power Infusing Eye Concentrate. It comes in this super cute little bottle. 1 pump is all you need for both eyes. Now to apply this, I just gently massage in little circular motions, starting here, and then I bring it out to my temples. This product is super cooling and refreshing. And the next part that I'm about to do, I don't know if you're meant to do this with eye creams, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I just bring it gently over my eyelids. And it's like little chilled cucumbers. This product is so cooling. So now that eye cream is on and our skin is feeling hydrated, this brings me to my last and final step. It doesn't include any products. I just take my fingertips and I lightly tap the surface of my skin. I was told this little trick when I was younger. I think it's an old Japanese wives' tale. But basically, if you do this every day, it's meant to increase the natural production of collagen in your skin. I don't know if it actually works, but regardless, it's a really nice massage and nice way to end the skincare routine. My skin feels super clean and refreshed and hydrated and healthy. I'm ready to go enjoy the rest of the afternoon. I hope you enjoyed watching.